Have you ever wondered how much our lives depend on the ecosystems that surround us? Ecosystems. They're not just about trees, animals, or rivers. They're about life itself. A complex, intricate network of organisms, all interacting with each other and their environment, all playing a part in the grand scheme of things. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every life form has a role to play in this grand tapestry of existence. Ecosystems are the life support systems of our planet. They provide us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and countless other essential services that we often take for granted. They're responsible for the soil that grows our food, the bees that pollinate our crops, the forests that clean our air, and the oceans that regulate our climate. But ecosystems are more than just providers. They're regulators too, maintaining a delicate balance that ensures the survival of countless species, including our own. They control the flow of water, recycle nutrients, regulate climate, and even help to control pests and diseases. And remember, ecosystems are not isolated. They are interconnected, each influencing and being influenced by the others. The lush rainforests of the Amazon, the sprawling savannas of Africa, the frigid tundras of the Arctic, the vibrant coral reefs of the Pacific. These are all parts of a vast, interconnected web of life that spans the globe. Understanding ecosystems is not just about appreciating the beauty of nature. It's about understanding our place in the world and the role we play in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. It's about realizing that every action we take, every decision we make, has an impact on the world around us. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the world around you. Remember that you are part of an ecosystem, and that your survival depends on the health and vitality of that ecosystem. The world we live in is a web of interconnected ecosystems, each playing a vital role in our survival. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the mountains, ecosystems come in diverse forms. Each ecosystem is a complex network of life, with a unique set of dynamics, characteristics, and organisms. Let's start with terrestrial ecosystems. These are land-based ecosystems, and they cover about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. They range from the arid deserts, where life has adapted to survive with little water, to the lush rainforests, where biodiversity flourishes. The diversity of life within these ecosystems is astounding. From the mighty elephant lumbering through the savanna to the tiny beetle burrowing in the forest floor, each creature plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of these ecosystems. Next, we have the aquatic ecosystems, which are water-based and cover the remaining 2/3 of our planet. These are divided into two main types. Freshwater ecosystems include rivers, lakes, and ponds. These bodies of water are teeming with life, from the microscopic plankton to the majestic swan. Then there are marine ecosystems, which include oceans, seas, and coral reefs. Here, a different set of dynamics come into play, with unique organisms adapted to life under the sea. From the playful dolphins to the mysterious deep-sea creatures, each organism contributes to the complex web of life in these ecosystems. Finally, we have artificial ecosystems. These are human-made, such as urban environments and farmlands. Despite their artificial origins, these ecosystems are still teeming with life. From the pigeons roosting on city buildings to the insects and birds inhabiting farmlands, these ecosystems demonstrate the adaptability of nature in the face of human intervention. Each type of ecosystem, whether terrestrial, aquatic, or artificial, is a testament to the resilience of life on Earth. Each organism, no matter how small, plays a part in maintaining the delicate balance of these ecosystems. No matter where we go on this planet, we're stepping into an ecosystem, each with its distinct rhythm and life. Change is the only constant, and ecosystems are no exception. Just as the seasons shift, so too do ecosystems, following a process known as ecological succession. This is the grand cycle of life, death, and rebirth played out on an ecological stage. Ecological succession is marked by a series of transformations, a progression of changes that occur over time in the types of species that inhabit an ecosystem. It's a bit like a relay race, where the baton is passed from one species to another, each playing its part in shaping the environment before making way for the next. Now, let's talk about primary and secondary succession. Primary succession is the initial establishment of an ecosystem, arising from an environment devoid of life, like a new volcanic island. Secondary succession, on the other hand, occurs after a disturbance that doesn't completely wipe out life, like a forest fire. Through the dance of succession, ecosystems evolve, adapt, and continue their intricate ballet of life. Sadly, the harmony of these ecosystems is threatened by one species, humans. We live in symbiosis with the world around us, but our actions are causing a seismic shift in the balance of nature, leading to the degradation of ecosystems across the globe. Take pollution, for example. Our industries, vehicles, and waste are all contributing to the contamination of our air, water, and soil. This pollution harms every level of an ecosystem, from the smallest microorganism to the largest mammal, disrupting the delicate balance of life. Then there's global warming. The excessive carbon dioxide we're pumping into the atmosphere is causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This increase in temperature is leading to the melting of polar ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather conditions, all of which pose a significant threat to our ecosystems. Overexploitation is another factor. We're consuming natural resources at an unsustainable rate, from water to timber, fish to fossil fuels. This voracious appetite is depleting these resources faster than they can regenerate, leading to the collapse of ecosystems that depend on them. These human-induced changes have a profound impact on biodiversity. Species that can't adapt to the rapid environmental changes face the risk of extinction. On the other hand, some species evolve into new species, a process known as speciation. But while this may sound like a silver lining, the rate of extinction is currently outpacing speciation, leading to an overall loss in biodiversity. Take the Western Ghats in India, a biodiversity hotspot that's home to thousands of species. Rapid habitat degradation due to human activities such as deforestation, mining, and urbanization is posing a severe threat to its biodiversity. We are the guardians of these ecosystems, but our actions are leading to their downfall. We need to remember that each of us has a role to play in preserving our planet. Every action we take, no matter how small, can either contribute to the degradation of our ecosystems or help in their conservation. But all is not lost. We have the power to reverse the damage and restore balance. Conservation strategies are our ticket to a balanced ecosystem. These strategies, implemented worldwide, have one common goal: to preserve and protect our natural resources. They range from creating protected areas, legislating for conservation, promoting sustainable use of resources, to raising public awareness about the importance of biodiversity. One such strategy is phytoremediation, a fascinating process where plants are used to clean up soil, air, and water contaminated with hazardous pollutants. By absorbing these harmful substances through their roots, these green heroes detoxify the environment, making it safer for other life forms. Now, let's shift our focus to a biodiversity hotspot, the Western Ghats. This mountain range in India is home to an astonishing variety of life forms, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. The Western Ghats serve as a living laboratory for scientists and a natural sanctuary for wildlife. But these Ghats are under threat due to human activities like deforestation and pollution. Rapid habitat degradation is leading to loss of species at an alarming rate. This not only affects the Ghats' biodiversity, but also disrupts the balance of the entire ecosystem. The importance of preserving biodiversity cannot be overstated. It ensures the survival of a multitude of species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. It also provides us with food, medicine, clean air and water, and contributes to climate stability. So how can we help? By supporting conservation efforts, participating in sustainable practices, and spreading awareness about the importance of biodiversity. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. The fate of our ecosystems is in our hands. With conscious effort, we can ensure their survival for generations to come. Let's remember, the power of conservation is not just about saving the environment, it's about ensuring a sustainable future for all life on Earth. So, our journey through the world of ecosystems comes to an end. We've traversed the rich tapestry of life, from the smallest micro-ecosystems to the vast expanses of global biomes. We've explored the dynamic nature of ecosystems, how they change, grow, and adapt through the process of ecological succession. We've also delved into the harsh realities of degradation caused by human activities, a stark reminder of our responsibility to respect and protect these intricate webs of life. But there's hope. We've seen the power of conservation strategies, how we can harness the natural capabilities of plants through phytoremediation, and the importance of biodiversity hotspots like the Western Ghats. In the end, our journey serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. We are part of the ecosystem, and our actions echo in the environment. Remember, every action counts. Subscribe for more knowledge-filled journeys into the heart of our world.